If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce lag and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before starting FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet or consume system resources can lead to lag. Check your task manager to see what is running and close anything that isn't needed. Step 3. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings in FIFA 24 to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag. You can access the settings menu in the game and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and frame rate. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Ensure that your graphics drivers and game software are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card to download the latest drivers and check for any updates for FIFA 24. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Consider optimizing your network settings for gaming. This may include enabling quality of service QoS on your router to prioritize gaming traffic or adjusting your DNS settings to use a faster DNS server. You can find guide online specific to your router model for these adjustments. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in lag spikes while playing FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming experience.